Hello everyone, I'm Abhirami Ramesh. Recently I read this book called Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. There is one line in the book which says that pride is what we think about ourselves and vanity is what we want others to think of us. One can have pride about themselves as long as they're compassionate towards other people, which is what Mr. Darcy is all about. Yes, Mr. Darcy is a rude and an arrogant person, but he's considerate and goes out of his way to help people. Mr. Darcy, yes, he's a proud person, but he's not a narcissist. Because being a narcissist means having no empathy or concern for other people. But Mr. Darcy, he has no ego, or he did not have any ego or air of superiority when it came to talking with Mr. Wickham, talking, dealing, and negotiating with him in order for him to get married to Lydia to save the reputation of his lover of his lover to be Elizabeth's family reputation and honor. And the next part of the book, which talks about prejudice, one should always take the prejudices or biases which we have with a pinch of salt, because when we have prejudice towards someone or something, it's because we are in the dark, we are ignorant about something, as we are not listening or are aware about their side of the story. Since we do not know their side of the story, we come to preconceived conclusions which are half baked, which do not have any basis or foundation in itself, foundation of thought in itself. So when you have prejudices, the best way to debunk them or to get rid of them is by start being friendly with the thing which we have prejudice about, because most of the prejudices which we have a shroud of propaganda in it. It's because it has some distortions, distorted thoughts in it, which is the reason why we have that prejudice in the first place. Pride and Prejudice is a well written book, and I loved the way Mr. Darcy's character was written. It is a beautifully written romantic book, and I loved how poetically they have written and made use of the enemies to lovers trope. I would rate it 5 on 5. It was a good read, it was a quick read. Thank you.